Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and changing sizes. For this, we're going to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and the menu icon here at the top, and then go to account menu, and then all the way down at the bottom here is bulk editor. And this is a new feature that Heartland just came out with recently, and I think it's really great. So when you're in bulk editor, you're going to have this option for record type. When you click on this, it's going to give you all these different categories you can go into. I'm not going to cover every single one on this video. I'm separating them out in individual videos. So for this video, we're going to do sizes. If you want to see one of these other categories, please see my other videos. On sizes, here's what you can edit. Now, you may use sizes on some of your items, and you may not. Some places use them, some places don't. Some places use a lot of them, some places use very little of them. So if you use a lot of them, it's nice to have that search bar here where you can search for them. Of course, you can add new, which just adds another section here. And then, of course, you can delete. Now, what's nice here is you can change the names if you need to change the names, but you can also add the short items. And you can do this all in one section instead of having to go into each individual record and making the change there. And then, of course, you can put a checkbox to whether or not you want them available online or not. And then don't forget, when you're done, to hit the save button. Make sure you get your confirmation at the bottom. And then don't forget to publish changes. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.